Hello, my name is Rafał Soborewski and I'm Chief Product Officer in Nozbe. And today I wanted to show you what we shipped in the recent 2 months in Nozbe. I want also to tell you something about we are working on currently and will be shipped soon. So let's begin. The most important thing we recently shipped are our desktop apps. Yes, we finally have a native macOS application and Windows application, which is, however, Windows application is still in beta. More on that in a minute, but let's go back to macOS application. It is available for macOS 11 Big Sur and later, and it works both on Apple Silicon and Intel-based Macs. App is responsive, so you can change the window size and, for example, use it as a task list, kind of a task list widget on the side of your screen, or you can use it full screen. So whatever suits you. Of course, it has native app menu full of keyboard shortcuts. So basically, the most actions in the app, the most common actions in the app are possible to do just by without leaving your hands out of the keyboard. So that's pretty cool. We also have Hotkey for quick add and the app icon in app menu bar here. So even if I have my app closed, I have here Nozbe, and I can trigger quick add or Nozbe app window. Of course, there is also keyboard shortcuts, global hotkey for this quick add. So here I can add tasks. So check out Black Friday promo for Nozbe, and in quick add I can define task parameters, and also I can change a theme in which I want to add this specific task, because I can have many themes, many workspaces, etc. All right. Yeah, you can also drag and drop files to the app to create tasks or comments. So for example, if we take a screenshot of this button, I can drag it to the task list and it will automatically create a task with file name as a task name, and this file will be attached. You can also, of course, adding by drag and drop files to a task as a comment and send comments. So yeah, another desktop app feature are notifications. So here you can see I have all my notifications that I haven't yet responded to. So yeah, I see Evelina mentioned me in some task, Ola mentioned me, Kamil mentioned me, and Ola assigned a task to me. So I will check this out later. And speaking of notifications, there's also a batch app icon. So if I go to settings, notification settings, batch, I have batch setting for incoming activity or priority. And let's say I want to see the number of tasks in my incoming view for my for the Nozbe team. So yeah, it's 27. So here it is, 27. So yeah, and if you want to try this app for macOS, just go to nozbe.com download, and here you can download both Nozbe for macOS and Nozbe beta for Windows. So basically, Windows app is still in beta. We are testing it with our beta testers. We are fixing all the issues we are finding, and we hopefully will be able to ship soon the final release. But if you are brave enough to test beta version, just go to nozbe.com/download and try this out, and send us some feedback about that. And of course, Windows application has almost the same feature set as Mac application, just doesn't have batch on app icon because it's not possible on Windows, and it has a tray icon instead of menu bar icon. That's just the platform specific stuff. And all the other stuff like app is responsive, it has keyboard shortcuts, native menu, hotkey for quick add, you can drag and drop files, there are notifications, so all of this is also available in Windows application. The next cool thing we shipped recently is set of improvements to calendar view. So basically, if I go to calendar now, the default view is weekly, so I can switch between weeks. Yeah, but if I want, I can change to monthly view and switch between months. Yeah, and if I go to Friday, then the app scrolls to the Friday. Yeah, all the sections for each day are collapsible. That's cool, and we can also add here tasks for a specific day, for example today. Yeah, let's see what else, because I may not remember everything. Adding tasks, switch between, yes, and I wanted to remind you, all of you, because we have many questions about that, that in calendar we can go in past and, for example, review all of our tasks we have completed last week or last month or 2 months ago, or etc. Yeah, and the past view in calendar contains not only tasks with due dates, but just all the tasks completed or abandoned in that day. So it can serve you as a kind of a report, for example, for your boss or for yourself. If you want to measure your productivity or have a list of tasks that you have completed in the last week, 2 weeks ago, or in the last month, and you can also export this list to CSV file. Okay, so let's go back to our list. So this was weekly view in calendar. All right, and the last big thing we shipped recently are team comments. Team comments, it is a comment actually in a task that can be edited by all team members, or even of the members that has access to this task. So it also works via joint projects. So yeah, use case for this is that we have some project documentation, and it can be edited by the whole team or any other use case. So anyway, we had many requests from our users about this feature. So yeah, it's finally here. So how it works? We basically go to comment menu, click to make it editable by others. And now we have the explanation, what will happen, that anyone in the team will be able to edit this comment. So it will also get pinned automatically, and yeah, this action cannot be undone. So once the comment becomes team comment, it cannot be reverted to my comment. Yeah. So and we confirm, and as you can see, the author of a comment is changed. It's no longer me, and now it's Nozbe as the name of my team. And yeah, it got pinned automatically. We actually can unpin it if we want it, but like I think it's a good way to have pinned team comments as pinned, because if we have further discussion in the task, yeah, we can always filter to show only pinned comments. Yeah, and now if I go, for example, to this comment from the account of Gregory, yeah, I can show only pinned comments, and I can make my edits. And let's say I want to I want to add an info that you can check out all the features that we are shipping, all the release notes at nozbe.com/changelog. Here it is, yes, and yeah, when I go here, go back to my account, my production account, I can already see this, that team comment edited by Gregory 5 seconds ago, and if I click here, it scrolls automatically to this comment. So yeah, as Gregory says, if you go to nozbe.com/changelog, you can see all the release notes. As you can see, we recently shipped version 43, 2022.43. That means we shipped 43 updates this year. And yeah, if you love Nozbe, if you like our application, please spend some time on reviewing it, rating it on App Store, Google Play, or G2. You have links here. So please don't be shy, share your feedback in the review. We are now working on very cool features. So basically, task me to email, because thanks to this feature, we imagine you will be able to work in your task with anyone in the world by just assigning this task to an email address. So here it is. This feature is in beta, share with email, beta. It's available only on... it's not yet available for you. We are testing it with our beta testers, but if you are a premium user and you want to test it, please reach out to our customer support, and we will be happy to turn on this feature for you, so you can test it and share your feedback. Yeah, but with this feature, we are very excited, because now if you even work alone in Nozbe with your tasks, you don't have to switch to email to communicate with outside world. You can just assign a task to an email address, and the person on the other side will be able just to click a link and open a task in the web browser and respond to in a comment to you, and you will see it in your task. So you don't have to switch apps. That's very cool. So please let us know, what do you think? Comment this video down below, and yeah, that's it for today. I'm Rafał, and yeah, remember to check out our promo. Bye.